Hello, I'm Sunny. The word of the day is Xìng. In this video, I will teach you how to pronounce it, how to write it, and how to use it. First, let's read together. 我们一起读。Xìng, Xi, Yung, together. Xìng, Xìng, very good. Now let's write it. 我们一起写。撇点，撇横，撇横横竖横。姓，姓 means family name. So in Chinese, you sometimes want to shine to tell people our whole name. So we just say 我姓什么。For example, Sunny 老师 my family name is Dai. So we can say 我姓戴。And you ask people, 你姓什么? Sometimes people too shy to say ask a whole name. What's your name? So we just ask, what's your family name? Okay, that's all. If you like this video, please like and share to your friends. See you next time. Bye bye.